Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire PAN-CRISPER part number 241801802. Frigidaire PAN-CRISPER part number 241801802 is a replacement crisper drawer for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is made of clear plastic and is designed to fit into the refrigerator's crisper drawer frame. The crisper drawer has two compartments, one for fruits and vegetables and one for meats and cheeses. The crisper drawer also has a humidity control feature that helps heat produce fresh longer. The PAN-CRISPER is easy to install and comes with instructions. It is an OEM part, meaning it was made by the original equipment manufacturer, OEM, for Frigidaire Ref. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement crisper pan for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It will fix any issues related to the crisper pan, such as cracked or broken parts, or a lack of air circulation in the crisper. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the old crisper drawer from the refrigerator. Pull the drawer out and then lift it up and out of the refrigerator. 2. Take the new Frigidaire PAN-CRISPER part #241801802 and place it in the opening of the refrigerator. Make sure that it is lined up correctly with the tracks on either side of the opening. 3. Push the crisper drawer in until it is firmly seated in place. 4. Replace any shelves or drawers that were removed to access the crisper drawer, if necessary. 5. Test to make sure that the crisper drawer is working properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.